Dear students, welcome to English class. The class is conducted by I myself, Mrs. Shobita Sarkar, Assistant Teacher, Ladubantala High School, and conducted by Ladubantala High School. Dear students, I think you have passing your time with connecting with different teachers in different classes. It is also a scope to participate in different class with different teacher also. Dear students, I am going to teach you English second part class today. Though the class has been selected for the students of class 9-10, the class is also affected all the students of class 6 to 10. Dear students, look at the blackboard and write down 2 sentences. I do the work. The work is done by me. I have written down 2 sentences on the blackboard. In the first sentence, I do the work, and the second sentence, the work is done by me. What is the difference between 2 sentences? Guess. First sentence is subject pradhan and second sentence is object pradhan. So can you guess which lesson am I teaching you today? Voice change. Okay, today I am going to you voice change. Voice change. So to do voice change, voice means বাচ্চু, আর এই ভয়েস বিভিন্নভাবে আমরা চেঞ্জ করি, সেই রুলগুলো আজকে আমরা তোমাদেরকে বোঝাবো। ভয়েস ইজ 2 টাইপস, অ্যাক্টিভ অ্যান্ড প্যাসিভ। অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস সাবজেক্ট প্রধান অ্যান্ড প্যাসিভ ভয়েস অবজেক্ট প্রধান। To do voice change, you have to know the change of subject to object. I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, they. I সাবজেক্ট থাকলে অবজেক্ট হবে মি, উই থাকলে আস, অ্যান্ড শি থাকলে হার, হি থাকলে হিম, দে থাকলে দেম, অ্যান্ড ইট থাকলে অলসো দে। To change the voice, you have to clear idea at first about tenses. According to tense, we shall practice voice change. Here is in present simple. Past simple, future simple. Present simple, past simple and future simple. Number 1, 2, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. And number 3, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Write down these sentences: present simple, past simple and future simple. Present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Next, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. All these 9 tenses, to change the voice, we need some auxiliary verbs. These verbs are am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Am being, is being, are being, was, being, were, being, shall be, being, will be, being. Have been, has been. Had been. Shall have been, will have been. Dear friends, to change voice according to tense in every sentences, we shall need some auxiliary verb. These verbs are present simple, am, is, are, past simple, was, were, future simple, shall be and will be, present perfect, am being, is being, are being, past continuous, was being, were being, future continuous, shall be being, will be being. Next, present perfect tense, have been, has been, past perfect tense only had been, and future perfect tense shall have been, will have been. And there are some general rules of voice sense. These general rules you have been practiced class 6, 7 and 8 also. Yet I have also remind you about the general rules of voice tense such as active voice object, passive voice subject হবে, and subject বাইযোগে object হবে. Every tenses you have need some auxiliary verbs, and every tenses to change voice you have to need verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle form. Okay. Now we shall practice active to passive voice according to tense. I do, the, or. This is verb present form, so it is simple present tense. The work is done by me. আমরা একটা সেন্টেন্স লিখে সেই একটা সেন্টেন্সের মাধ্যমে সমস্ত টেন্সগুলো করব, তাহলে সহজ হবে। I am doing the work. The work is being done by me. Present indefinite tense, I do the work, and active to passive, the work is done by me. Next, একই সেন্টেন্সে I am doing the work is done by me. Next, I have done the work. The work has been done by me. I did the work. In past indefinite tense, simple past tense, I did the work. Then the work was done by me. Next, past the work is being done by me. Next, I have done the work. I had done the work. The work had been. The work had been done by me. Future indefinite tense, I shall do the work. Then the work will The work will be done by me. Next, future continuous tense. I shall be doing the work. Then the work shall be being, will be being. Will be being. The work will be being done by me. Future perfect tense. I shall have done the work. Then the work will have been. The work will have been done by me. Dear students, as you are the students of class 9 and 10, in short, I have been shown you on the blackboard the tenses according to tense to change the voice. There are more rules except tense in voice sense. Now I am going to add the rules of voice sense. Suppose imperative sentence of voice sense. Do the work. Do the work. In the sentence, at first verb. So it is imperative sentence. To change the voice in the imperative sentence, we need let at first. Let plus object plus be plus verb 3. This is the rules of imperative sentence of voice sense. At first let, next object, next be plus verb 3. So let the work be done. Let the work be done. And reflexive noun, he killed himself. He killed himself. This is reflexive pronoun. So at first subject is used. He killed himself. This is past form of verb. So past form of verb, if there is, we use was and were or were. He was killed by himself. He was killed by himself. If there is verb 1, we use here am, is or were. Am, is, was. Rise, shall, see. This is possessive verb. At last, the adjective is used. So, rise, shall, see. Rise is so sheep. Next, he told me to do the work. Dear students, our time has been finished. We will practice more rules of voice sense and practice the example. No more today. See you again next class.